So for the flight line maintenance community, they're usually outside or they're in the hangar. So they're going to need something that can withstand the weather, withstand the heat, withstand the cold, and the drops. So we're perfectly suited for the flight line maintenance community because all of those design processes are put into the TOUGHBOOK.
Consumer grade devices will shatter, will have temperature issues. Even if you put protective devices around it, it'll still shatter. It still doesn't deal with the elements that we deal with when they're out on the flight line, whether it be rain, whether it be heat, whether it be humidity or cold. I'm talking with our customers up in Alaska, obviously cold temperatures. They've had issues in the past before using our TOUGHBOOKs of their devices going completely out 15 minutes after they got out in the flight line and losing all their data. So they had to start the process back over again.
When we build our TOUGHBOOKs, it's purpose-built. It's purpose-built for the flight line maintenance community. Fog, dust, sand, weather, we've all had those design attributes into the TOUGHBOOK so they won't fail.